Welcome, in front of me is a VIVO Y21s, and today I will show you how you can enable and also set up your portable hotspot. So to get started, pull down your toggles by swiping down from the top of your screen. Swipe down once again to extend the list of toggles, and one of those toggles should be a hotspot toggle. For me it is located right over here. Hopefully you can find this toggle in the same exact location. Now, if you can't, you can just swipe across the pages and hopefully you can find it on one of the pages. Now, once you see it, hold it the first time around. This will take you to the settings. Now here, simply select Wi-Fi hotspot and customize the settings to fit your needs. Now, I recommend changing the hotspot password, which by default will be randomly generated, and you can see it right here. So just jumbled mess of letters and numbers. So I'm going to completely get rid of this one and set up my own new password, which needs to be at least 8 characters in length. Now, what I recommend also making sure that you have is the turn off hotspot automatically right here, which means that if you forget that your hotspot is running, the device will turn it off for you after like 10 or 20 minutes of inactivity, which is a pretty nice thing to have enabled because hotspot does consume more of your phone's battery. So there we go. From there we can just close this, and whenever you want to use your hotspot, find the toggle and simply tap on it to enable it, and you're good to go. Now, if you had that option selected that it turns off hotspot automatically, you don't really need to worry, but you can still turn it off yourself once you're done with it by tapping on it yourself. And obviously if you forget about it, the phone will turn it off for you. I'm going to check one last thing, so I'm going to turn on Wi-Fi and hotspot, and it keeps both of them. The reason I check this is because some of the devices will only be able to either use hotspot or Wi-Fi, not two at the same time. So there we go. Now, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.